Hello students, today we are going to start our second one act play, and that is The Dear Departed. And this one act play is written by Stanley Houghton. So in this first part we are going to learn the little information given about the author, the playwright or the dramatist, and after that there is given a brief information about this one act play. So open your book, page number 134. On this page number, this little information about the dramatist Stanley Houghton we are going to learn today. Now listen carefully. Stanley Houghton, 1881-1931. So Stanley Houghton was born in 1881 and he was died in 1931. Was an English playwright. Playwright it means, look at the board. Playwright it means a dramatist. A dramatist it means a person who writes drama. He was part of a group of playwrights known as the Manchester School. So there is a group of playwrights, dramatists, and that group is known as Manchester School, and he was a part of that group, who wrote realistic plays centered around the lives of middle class English people. And this group of playwrights, Manchester School, this group of playwrights, dramatists, mostly write on the common English people's life, their daily real life problems. His father was a cotton merchant. Merchant it means wholesale dealer. His father was a cotton merchant, and when he came of age, Houghton joined the family business. So here we are getting information that Stanley Houghton's father was doing a business of cotton, and he was the merchant in that business. It means wholesale dealer of cotton. And when Stanley Houghton came at the age of business, it means he was the age of 16 to 18. That time he joined his family business. It means cotton wholesale dealing. He continued to work there until his dramatic career became a success in 1912 with the staging it means a method of performing a play on the stage. Staging of the play Hindley Wakes. So in 1912, his first famous play Hindley Wakes, when he performed on the stage with a different kind of method that made him a successful person in dramatic world. And till that moment, Stanley Houghton was working in his family business, and when he became a successful dramatist, he left his family business and started to make his life make his career in that dramatic field. This play is the best known work, and this play was the best known, very famous play written by Stanley Horton. Next paragraph. The following text is the one-act play which depicts. Depict it means describe or present in words. Depict the incidents which unfold in a unfold, it means uncovered. Open. In a lower middle class family in England, when the old father is found dead. So in this one act play, The Dear Departed, we are going to learn a story of English middle class family, and particularly lower middle class family. In which family, when the old father died, so what kind of incident happened in that house, how the family members behave at that time, the whole incident we are going to learn through this one act play. All the action takes place in the space of afternoon. Space, it means an interval of time. Space of afternoon in the single setting. So all action takes place in the afternoon time, and in that afternoon time the setting, stage setting was a single setting. There is no change in the stage setting. A suburban house. Suburban, it means outside area of city. Suburban house. So this house is in the suburban area. It means the outside area of city. It shines a mirror. Shines a mirror, it means throw light. It shines a mirror on contemporary. Contemporary, it means living or occurring at the same time. It shines a mirror on contemporary relationship. So in that particular time, how was the relationship humans were having with each other on this one act play is going to throw light and show, and how shallow. Shallow, it means of little depth, and mercenary they have become. Higher. So how people have become separate from each other. They were not having deep feeling for each other, deep affection, love for each other. This all incident, all feelings, all kind of detailed information we are going to learn through this one act play. So students, this first part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.